When troubles come and my heart burning deep, then I am still and wait here in the silence until you come and sit